Welcome to the most underrated, the most
slept on, most
historic city
in all of Mexico. Welcome to
Durango. How could you not? Y'all, I am falling in love with this city.
We just spent 24 hours in the most amazing
city, and if there's one thing in this city, like the main reason people come to this city,
the one thing you cannot miss
is this.
Start here and engage your inner desperado at the most iconic Western movie set in the world. The Paseo del Viejo Oeste. The good, the bad, the ugly, the Unforgiven, The Magnificent Seven, and many other classics were made right here. These broad blue skies, rugged mountain backdrops, and natural landscapes, all steeped in Hollywood history. This cowboy town runs different shows throughout the weekend and will distress damsels and liberate the gunslinger in you. Be sure to start here in Durango, Durango when you arrive. Staged shows, bank robberies and showdowns, Indian reservations, and can-can dancing. Go on all weekend long with plenty of saloons to keep your guns holstered and cooled as you enjoy the iconic tributes and the glorious city.
This good old drink is called mezcal. Can be made in 8 states here in Mexico.
And one of those 8 states is Durango.
Durango. It is muy delicioso. It's good. Gracias. Sí. Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Salud.
Salud.
The good, the bad.
Y'all, that was amazing. Like Rondell, he's been a kid in a candy store here.
Straight up. But it all started the night we took this bus.
We took an overnight bus from Leon to Durango, you guys. And when we first got here, we couldn't even check into our Airbnb, and it was like 6:30 in the morning.
It went down a little something like this. All right, my people, we have arrived. New city, new vibe. We're in a city that I've always wanted to come to. This is Durango. Happy to be here, y'all. So many Westerns have been shot here. Anyway, it seems to be a good city. We're gonna leave our luggage here and adventure into the city because we can't check into our Airbnb until 3 o'clock.
Grimy as we were, we enjoyed every piece of this city. Everywhere we went, the people were warm, friendly, and the city was bewitching.
Amigos, yo soy Carlita Vela y el día de hoy nos encontramos en nada más y nada menos que en la plaza, una hermosa plaza que, pues como ustedes pueden ver, tenemos gente, tenemos niños, tenemos un lugar mucho para divertirse. Así que ven y diviértete aquí a la ciudad de Durango porque pues es una de las más bellas, sobre todo sus paisajes, su comida, sus bebidas. También te invito a disfrutar sobre el mercado, que encontrarás una variedad de comida, de bebidas y sobre todo lo que se produce aquí en Durango, que es el mezcal.
We'll do it 1, 2, 3, we'll say Durango.
Durango.
The people here are unmatched.
Durango!
In their warmth, their acceptance, and their openness.
Domingo. Actually, give me the handshake, brother. So how long have you been in Durango?
Well, since 2018.
2018, and where were you before then?
Before in California.
Cali. Oh, Okay, what happened?
Well, 3 strikes, you know.
Okay, and then they just, instead of going to jail, they send you back to Mexico.
No, I went to jail. I done 23 years on the 3 strikes.
And then had to come back. What were your 3 strikes? What'd you get hit for?
Well, look, I had attempted murder, robbery, drugs.
Drugs. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Where are you originally from?
Yeah.
Right here.
In Durango.
Oh,
Yeah,
Durango.
yeah, I'm from Durango, but and a little town called Santiago Pascaro.
Santiago. Okay. What is something that we should know about Durango?
Well, I'm getting to know it too because
It's been a while.
I lived since I was 4 years old.
What happened to you, man? What happened to your body, bro?
Well, I had a car accident in a TJ. I was driving and somebody hit me from behind and I went and hit a pole.
Ow.
My chest got kicked in, lungs. My back is tilted.
So you're lucky to be alive then, huh?
Yes. I barely started walking in May.
In May. Is there any kind of medical to help you do that? Any kind of public health to help you?
Yeah, it is some,
Yeah.
but it's not like I take Tramadol, right?
See.
And they don't have it, so I got to take lower than that.
And you got a roof over your head?
No.
All right, man. We're gonna give you some dough, but thanks for speaking to us, brother.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
What's up, fam? We are in a new city in a brand new state called
Durango.
Durango. We out here, y'all, and I gotta tell y'all, it got good vibes.
It does. I mean, we've only been here for 2 hours, but good vibes nonetheless.
She got good bones. Good
Yeah.
bones, y'all. Everything we're seeing and the people that we're engaging with so far has all been positive. I mean, literally, it's been 2 hours, and we've been up all night, so we could be delirium that's talking to you, but excited to kind of bring this city to you guys. We think it's a slept-on city. We'll find out. So one thing that we found out about this city is there's lots of green space just in the central area and around the central area. The green spaces are clean, they're accessible, and beautiful.
There's tons of public spaces and green spaces in Centro, but there's a main green space we want to tell you guys about.
This is the other green space we want to tell you about.
We are at Parque Guardiana.
Okay.
And it's a huge park in the city of Durango. Different entrances around here, a really great space for kids to enjoy themselves, for people to get exercise in. It's across the street from the zoo, and there's a beautiful lake.
This is the largest green space of the city and one of the most beautiful. Again, there's tons and tons of walking trails, lots of trails to run. Right now we're at a place called Lake China, which is interesting. Hola, buenas tardes. Hey. And just tons and tons to see and do while you're out here, and we are about to go see and do just that.
So if you find a city that has a lot of green spaces, that's always a good sign to me. And this place is very peaceful.
Would you walk it? Oh, heck yeah. Let's go. You want to do it?
The more we walk around this park, the more we're discovering. We've seen an Olympic-sized swimming pool, we've seen different tracks for biking, for running, a ropes course for people who want to do high ropes and have fun being harnessed up and things like that. This is one of those places where, you know, a stone's throw away and you'll find a duck pond, or you'll find a large pond, a large lake in the middle that you can just sit and enjoy. This is the personification of like a perfect day at the park. I can see myself spending a few hours here.
Facts
And observations
about Durango.
Durango is a hub for the Mexican film industry.
The people are uber friendly.
Legendary Mexican revolutionary leader is from here, Pancho Villa. One of the most notable people of this area that we can't leave Durango without mentioning is Pancho Villa, who is a leader of the Mexican Revolution, a guerrilla leader, and also a professional bandit. But he is most famous for helping to overthrow 2 Mexican dictators and for his attack on the city of Columbus in New Mexico, the United States. He has a lot of history here. He was born in Durango. He has a large name. He's infamous here.
Cost of living with rental expenses averages about $800.
I think Durango has got to be the most slept on place we've been so far.
Durango is a place you need to visit.
For real. How could you not? Y'all, I am falling in love with the city. This is still sort of first impressions, fresh, first day. We found another pedestrian walking street. The city has no shortage of them. This one's called Calle Constitucion, and it is this beautiful, like colorful, umbrella-lined walkway with lots of different restaurants, cafes, souvenir shops, boutique shops, clothing shops that you can just pop in and out of. It is hot today, so the umbrellas are like on point today, but it's a beautiful area to visit if you're coming to the centro of Durango. Gabino, okay, at the corner.
Gorditas y hay más cosas.
Okay.
Solo mexicano.
Yeah, muchas gracias.
¿Qué es tu gordita favorita?
De machaca.
Machaca. Okay.
No sé si hay ahí, pero está muy rico. Huevo
Okay.
con carne seca.
Ah, ok. Me gustan huevos y carne.
Sí,
Sí.
También ahí está rico el caldo. Puedes pedir caldo.
Ah, ok.
Es de res con muchas verduras
Ok.
y arroz.
Machaca.
Machaca es la gordita
Machaca.
y caldo de res.
Y caldo de res.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at Dolores Del Rio, and we're standing in front of the house of Dolores Del Rio, or Casa Dolores Del Rio. This woman's filmography, her film history is long. She's done a lot of work. She's regarded as the first crossover Latin American actress. She made it over in Hollywood, made a slew of films. I have never heard of her before. We just got here. In fact, the only Del Rio I know worked in film was Vanessa Del Rio. Google it. Take it for what it's worth. But this house is dedicated to her, so I'm assuming she's from this city. If you guys know anything about Dolores Del Rio, hit us up in the comments and let us know what she was all about. Hey, you guys, I'm gonna give you a recommendation for a place to stop and eat while you're in town. If you're a brunch kind of person like we are, Eleanor's Brunch House. You just know when a place is going to be right, it's going to be that place, and this is that place. Eleanor's House of Brunch. If you come here, try it. The food is elegant and it's delicious. Y'all, this is one of the chillest environments that we have been around.
Yeah, we've just literally have been walking around for the past few hours, just checking out the sights, and we like frequently have been coming onto very beautiful, clean, peaceful spaces.
Y'all, this is a slept-on place. So for everything that I read and everything that I thought that I knew about this place, I knew it was chill, but I didn't know it was chill and vibrant. I thought it was chill, like sleepy, like do nothing. You know what I mean?
Okay.
This is like the it, man. We've only been here, honestly, for probably about 5 hours right now. So take our first impressions for what they're worth. Now, granted, we've been to a lot of places, and our first impressions are usually dead on. This place is nice.
It's really cool, and I've been loving the Centro. Like Centro is like the hub of activity in a lot of Mexican cities, but they're not all worth going to. I look for places that are clean, walkable.
Am I seeing an establishment with clean sidewalks?
True.
Am I seeing the people who care about the area? Heavens to Betsy, yes! Without even checking for the different designations and everything, we already knew. But I don't even care about the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. That doesn't mean a damn thing to me because we've been to several cities that have that designation and they still kind of have, you know, crappy, you know, centros. What I do care about is the cleanliness of the area and the people in the area. For me, the difference in this Durango place that we've been right now is the people. Friendly, warm, curious, and engaging.
Yeah.
No lies been told in here.
So far, so good in Durango.
I take photos and public in my profile, and the people say, oh, I want, yo quiero una y un pedido de tantos.
But solo in Durango.
Solo aquí en Durango,
okay.
Exactamente. Próximamente, or next time, in all the world.
Yeah.
Brother, I like that ambition. Good job,
It's
man.
the mission.
That's
it's
right.
The mission, make the world most happiest a través the best products.
With sweets.
Yeah.
How can people find you? You have a Facebook or Instagram or anything?
My Facebook is Horacio R. Revilla and Instagram is Horacio __ Ramirez 24 here in Durango.
Perfecto. Gracias, brother. And that was our first day in Durango.